Ever dreamt of building your own world, pixel by pixel, block by block? Well, imagine doing that inside a game engine and making it look amazing. That's where Godot Voxel Tools come in. It's like giving you superpowers to sculpt entire universes within the Godot Engine. So, what exactly are these voxels we keep talking about? Think of them as tiny 3D building blocks, kind of like Lego bricks, but instead of plastic, they're digital. Each voxel is a small cube that can be colored or textured. Now, Godot Engine is this awesome, free and open source game engine that lots of people use to make games. Voxel Tools is basically an extra set of tools built in C++, which is a powerful programming language that lets you take those voxel blocks and build incredible worlds right inside Godot. It's not just about making simple, blocky landscapes, it's about creating rich, volumetric environments. Why should you care about Voxel Tools? Because they offer something really special. First off, you get real-time editable terrain. Imagine being able to grab a virtual shovel and dig a hole or pile up dirt all while your game is running. It's not just a static picture, it's alive. Plus, it uses polygon-based rendering, which means it looks smooth and detailed without needing super powerful computers. It also plays nice with Godot's physics system, so things like gravity and collisions work perfectly. And for those who love the classic Minecraft style, you get that familiar blocky feel, but with much more flexibility and visual polish. Let's dive into the cool stuff you can actually do with Voxel Tools. You can edit your 3D terrain in real time, sculpting mountains, digging caves, building castles, all within the game itself. It works seamlessly with Godot's physics, so if you drop a rock, it will bounce off the ground realistically. You can even create and destroy blocks dynamically, which is perfect for games where the environment changes. Need a huge world? No problem. It supports procedural generation, meaning you can create vast, unique landscapes automatically. Want smoother hillsides? It has Transvoxel tech for that. It handles storing all that voxel data efficiently, so your game doesn't slow down. And finally, you can add decorative elements like trees, rocks, and flowers to make your world pop. Look at these examples. On the left, you see a classic Minecraft-style landscape full of blocks, maybe a little pixelated, but instantly recognizable. In the middle, you can see the editor interface showing how creators design these worlds using nodes and parameters. It's like having a visual recipe book for your terrain. And on the right, you see a low-poly style landscape, which is a popular art style in games, giving it a clean, modern look. The point is, Voxel Tools isn't just one style. It gives you the foundation to create a wide range of visual aesthetics, from chunky, blocky worlds to surprisingly detailed scenes. Now, let's talk about the latest version, 1.4.1. This isn't just a minor update, it's built on the latest stable version of Godot, 4.4.1, which means it's up to date and ready for new features. Crucially, it includes a bunch of bug fixes. Think of it like fixing the kinks in a brand new toy, making sure everything runs smoothly and reliably. There are also some neat additions like support for metadata, which lets you store extra information with each voxel, useful for things like custom properties or AI behaviors. It also improves graphics support on some platforms using Angle and makes the editor a bit easier to use when connecting nodes. Basically, it's a solid step forward, making the tool more robust and user-friendly. Okay, so you're sold. How do you actually get started using Voxel Tools? Good news. For most people, it's super easy. You can download pre-built binaries. Think of these as ready-to-go packages. They come in different versions for Windows, Linux, macOS, and even mobile platforms. Just grab the one that matches your system, and you're almost there. If you're a bit more technical or want to tweak things, the source code is available too. And don't worry about getting lost. The documentation includes clear installation instructions, guiding you through every step. It's designed to be accessible whether you're a seasoned developer or just dipping your toes into game creation. What's next for Voxel Tools? The developers have a roadmap packed with exciting possibilities. One big one is multiplayer synchronization. Imagine playing a game where you and your friends can actually build and interact with the same voxel world together in real time. That's huge! They're also working on improving smooth voxel textures to make things look even more realistic. For those building massive worlds, they plan to add level of detail LOD specifically for blocky voxels, which helps keep performance smooth even when you're exploring vast areas. And finally, they're moving towards GDExtension support, which is a newer way to write extensions for Godot, promising faster performance and more power. So, the future is bright, and there's plenty more to come. This project isn't just one person's work, it's a community effort. You can find everything on GitHub, the main hub for open source projects. There you'll find the code, the documentation, and a place to report any issues you might find. The good news is, it's all open source and completely free to use. A big shout out to the supporters, both the developers who contribute their time and the donors who help fund the project. And the contributor list is growing, showing a dedicated team of people passionate about making this tool better. It's a great example of how collaborative development can lead to amazing results. So, there you have it. Godot Voxel Tools is a powerful, flexible way to bring your creative visions to life, building incredible worlds block by block. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, it offers a fantastic platform to explore. Why not dive in and start building your own voxel world today?